Good morning, YouTube. Align Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Sunday, November 24th, 2019. And it's been over a month since we brought you guys our last video update on our purple dragon carrots and also our purple early sprouting broccoli. So we thought we would take this moment this morning and give you guys a quick peek at exactly what's going on with both of those beds right here in our front yard extended grow area. Hang tight, YouTube. Alright guys, as you can see, the ground is indeed soaking wet here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. We had one heck of a storm come through last night and lay down most of the foliage on our carrot plants here, and we're going to show you what that looks like right now. Yes, purple dragon carrots. And as you can see, it looks like a jungle in this planter over here, YouTube. Indeed, it does look like a jungle here in this planter. I'm going to give you guys a quick peek at what's going on as far as our actual carrots themselves go. Can you guys see that right there? We got some pretty decent sized carrots going on down there at this point in the grow season. And they are indeed purple. Look all along there, you can see we are having some success with growing our carrots. Probably going to do our very first test harvest sometime mid-December on these carrots. But at any rate, I'm going to step back and give you guys a faraway view of what that planter looks like over there. Indeed, they are looking well, YouTube. And today is indeed, again, November 24th, 2019. Right next door to our purple dragon carrots. If you guys recall from our last video update on this next planter, we planted early purple sprouting broccoli. And if you recall from our last video update on our early purple sprouting broccoli, this is what that broccoli looked like in our last video update. And this, YouTube, is indeed what it looks like right now. Take a look at this, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam. Yes, indeed. Tell me what you guys think about that broccoli. Is it looking fantastic over there, YouTube, or what? Again, we've had some moderate rainfalls here and definitely experiencing some much cooler actual fall type temperatures here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, and everything that we planted as a means of a fall crop is indeed loving it right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Again, our purple sprouting broccoli. We received these seeds as a gift from our dear friend Holly up at the Red Shed in Cleveland, Ohio. And if you're not currently following Holly's channel, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to her channel, and see what Holly's growing in her garden there in Cleveland, Ohio as well. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching this video update on our purple sprouting broccoli and our purple dragon carrots. And if you are indeed watching this video or you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks. We really Y'all fall like y'all know.